probably the biggest event that we have here in Lower Township along our bayfront, which is beautiful. We have a barge that goes out into the bay, and fireworks are discharged off that barge. The whole area along the bayfront is filled with people, tens of thousands, I would imagine. I don't know the exact figure, I don't think anyone does, but our town, this section of Lower Township fills up totally. Usually July 3rd is when we have them. We have a carnival up on the bayfront with vendors, food vendors, music, amusement rides for the children, and of course our beautiful bayfront here for everybody to enjoy. It is definitely the largest event that we have, and I think it's probably the best event that we could ever host here in Lower Township with the fireworks.